Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your artist management agency business. While running an artist management agency business, you get a lot of inquiry about event, schedule, availability and whatnot. Replying each person individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your artist management agency by using Pabbly Chat. This chatbot will automatically respond to people who want to inquiry, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me to Pabbly agency. With that, I got 3 action button. I can choose any of them according to my requirement. For example, I want to choose artist portfolio. I will select that. Here I got a reply about top artists. With that I got 3 action button. I will choose singer Meena. After selecting singer Meena, I got her information with her picture. There is an action button given which says book now. Let's click on that. After clicking on booking option, they want few details of mine. For example, my full name. I will enter my name as demo user. After entering my name, they want event name. After that, they want email address. I will enter my email address as like this. After my email address, they want phone number. I will enter my phone number. After giving my phone number, they have confirmed my booking and with that, they have given me payment link. As soon as I am done with the payment, I will click done. After clicking on done option, I got a message that their team will contact me shortly and finalize my details. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds, that too without any manual help. That is the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. After searching that, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am an existing user, I will click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, I will be redirected to the All Pabbly app page. Here I can see there are 7 applications, but as I am working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button. After clicking on Access Now button, I will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, I can add and manage all my WhatsApp number from one place without opening my WhatsApp separately. And for adding a WhatsApp number, you have to click on Add WhatsApp Number. Here, you can see there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect, Manual Token Connect. On Manual Token Connect, you have to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But on WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Management account and link your WhatsApp account. Okay, not only that, we have many more different features on dashboard. Let's see each feature one by one. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with customer and you don't need to open WhatsApp separate. After that, we have contact section where you can create all new contact and separate them according to their requirement. After contact, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. After template option, there is broadcast option where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. Below broadcast, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. After that, we have AI assistant, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in description box. As we got to know about each features, let's get started by building a flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be landed on flow builder page. Here, you can create your new flow by clicking on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. By clicking on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. In this window, there are 3 key features: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is the option where you can choose your created template to give a personalized touch to your chart. After that, there is regex. Regex is a regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, there is keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to give a meaningful name to our chatbot. As I'm making this chatbot for Artist Agency Management, I will name my flow accordingly as WhatsApp Chatbot for your Artist Management Agency. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. As soon as my customer enter a message, I want to deliver them a welcome message. For that, I will drag and drop text button from the message section and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message should be delivered to them. Over here, I will enter something like this. With this welcome message, I want to send few action button. For that, I will click on add button option and enter my text, artist profile, event availability, and talk to a human. After entering all 3 action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. For that, let's start with artist portfolio. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button over here as I want to give a message. I will enter my message as here is a list of top artists. With that, I will add 3 action button of our top artists, like DJ Rocks, singer Meena, comedian Rahul. Hereafter, if someone select a particular artist, I want to give detail about that artist. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the media button over here. After selecting the media button, I will browse the artist image. Over here, I will enter my message, which will give detail about the singer. After that, I will add action button, which says book now. After her, I will add detail about DJ Rocky. For that, again, I'm going to select media button and browse the image, something like this. After that, I will give the content about the artist. For that, I'm going to select the text button and enter my message about DJ Rocky. With that, again, I'm going to give an action button by clicking on add button option, which says book now. Now, similarly, for comedian Rahul, I will enter a separate message. For that, I will drag and drop this option, select the media button, and browse an image of comedian Rahul, something like this. After that, I will add content about him by clicking on add content button and selecting the text button. Over here, I will enter my message like this. And with that, I will add an action button which says book now. After giving details about all 3 artists, I will move to book now button and give a separate message for that. To book tickets, I wanted to know few details about my customer. For that, I will go to action section and drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my book now button. Over here, I will enter a message, something like that. And here I have asked full name of my customer. With that, I will select my contact custom field as name and format as text. Now you must be wondering how to add contact custom field. For that, you need to save your file. As soon as you clicked on save button, you will get a message that flow updated successfully. That means your file is saved. After that, let's go to settings section. And here you can see an option is given named by contact custom field. By clicking on that, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can make as many contact custom field as your requirement. As you can see, I have already made few contact custom field according to my requirement. I will resume back to my flow. Now, after name, I wanted to know prefer artist. For that, I will again drag and drop this option and connect with my previous question. After that, I will enter a message which says preferred artist and selected my contact custom field as artist and text format as any. After preferred artist, I wanted to know my customer's email ID. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my previous question and enter a message that contact email, and I will select my custom field as email and format as email as well. After email address, I wanted to know their phone number. For that, I will again drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my previous question. And over here, I will enter a message which says phone number and select my contact custom field as contact number, format as number. After getting enough information about my customer, I will send them a message that their ticket has been confirmedly booked. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button over here. Here, I will write a message which says, thank you to confirm your booking on 18th June 2025. Please complete the advance payment. As soon as my customer complete the advance payment, they will click on done button. For that, I will add a action button which says done, and I will add one more action button which says not now. As soon as my customer done with the payment, I want to send them a message which says our team will contact you shortly to finalize the detail and send you a confirmation document. As you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to book a ticket. After that, I will connect my every book now action button with our initial question. Something like this. After that, I will enter a separate message for event availability and talk to human. For event availability, I will drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter my message. Something like this. With that, I will add action button which says book now and talk to a human. I will connect my book now option with our initial question which was this and write a separate message for talk to human. Please hold on while we connect you to the live manager. Estimate wait 1 to 2 minutes. Even I'm going to connect this message with our talk to human button which was given on the welcome box. So yes, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for artist management agency. Don't forget to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved and it is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.